This is a Kamiso waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Distinct mids and highs from our two precision acoustic drivers delivers excellent stereo sound, and enhanced bass from our proprietary passive bass radiator design. Distortion-free at maximum volume. Room-filling sound, perfect for home, dorm room, kitchen, bathroom, car, parties. Streaming music or internet radio services such as Pandora and Spotify from your smartphone, iPhone, or audio device. Pair any two Kamiso speakers, you can achieve true wireless Bluetooth playing for left and right channels separated of two SPOD Bluetooth speakers. Just control the TWS master device, then audio can be played in sync on both devices with double enhanced stereo sound. Splash-proof, rain-proof, dust-proof, sand-proof. Outdoor shower speaker, perfect for the beach, poolside, car, boat and golf cart. IPX5 rating speaker, can resist gentle water spray and splash, but cannot be partially or fully submerged. Under 13 ounces, 6.5 inches tall, 2.8 inches diameter. High-capacity rechargeable 4400 mAh battery for up to 36 hours of playtime at 2/3 volume on a full charge. Designed to be comfortable to carry with no square edges, so much better for travel and hiking, super light, and easy to fit in your bag or backpack. This is a Appleman Dual Dash Cam. With WQHD 2688 into 1520p, at 30 fps max, 1440p front and 1080p rear dual lens, capture the road simultaneously in super clear definition. Equipped with 170-degree wide-angle 4 dual cameras monitors all directions, without visual blind zone. Supporting 128GB SD card, while H265 encode type takes less file space, the camera provides longer time recording even during parking than others. Also, it automatically overwrites previous recordings with new files. When SD card is full. Built-in G-sensor, the camera will automatically lock the current video when it detects shake or collision, which won't be overwritten by the loop recording, and saved at a separate event folder. 3 inches IPS wide screen recovers clear and real effects of the realistic scene. 4 buttons on the right side make it feel more comfortable, easier to operate and have a long service life. This camera is easy installation and simple operation, while detailed instruction and operation video can be provided whenever you need. It will automatically start recording when the engine is turned on.